Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
Have you ever learned to play a musical instrument?
I once tried to master the skills of playing the guitar. I even got admitted to a music school to learn to play the guitar, but could not finish the whole course. I can play some basic tones and music in the guitar, but I am not a skilled guitarist. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.